What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now I'm on this leg. It was way up here. I done brought it down. I got my come along down here. Love this one. The small come alongs. They're great. I actually got this one off of Amazon. Make sure you get you a good one if you get you one. But this small one can actually carry a half a ton, so that's a lot. You know, from what we doing repairs, you know, 9 times out of 10 you won't need nothing heavier than that. And here goes the one I just finished. So I got it knocked out. I got my plate welded in. And like I said, it's gonna have some plates on the side. It just wherever it's a hole at. And these are concrete washouts. That way you know what they are. You know. You see, it's a lot of them. All of these are not bad, but it's like 12, I believe, out of all of these that I got to repair. So that's what I'm gonna be working on for a couple of days. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna try to knock this out and figure out how I'm gonna do this, because I'm in the middle of nowhere. And now that I see some of the things that I'm gonna be needing, I'm gonna have to bring a couple more little tools with me to make sure that I can be able to, you know, do all the repairs. Like today, I might have to skip one and come back and grab the things that I need to finish it. So, but that's what, you know, that's what it is when you're in the field, man. You never know. That's why I say field welding is not shop welding, because you're always doing something different, and you're always repairing and fixing things. How long?